Well, I just absolutely obliterated 18 of my Apex PAs. Basically all of them, except the two that I got a payout on. And it was on the most beautiful, beautiful gold trade ever. And I waited very, very patiently for this trade as well. Complete shit show. It's so stupid. It's like when things are going so fucking well trading, some bullshit always fucking happens. Earlier this week, ProjectX fucking meltdown. Takes away my profit. I get fucking tilted. Completely go off the plan. And now I'm kind of like spiraling, it seems. But in a way, it's not the worst thing because I noticed it. So we could always fix it, right? I mean, we had the sickest trade, right? I mean, it was just so beautiful. Like, I didn't even want to trade, but I saw fucking gold just doing this beautiful little cliff. I saw it do this little stop loss hunt right there. I saw it fucking come up right to our trend line and the 4-hour trend line, and it was just so perfect. I fucking bought like I bought one mini right here, and then a second mini when it was coming down, and for some reason, Apex decided to go 4 minis. Don't know why. Don't know why. But yeah, I went 4 minis somewhere around here. Boom, little wick up, gets fucking cooked. and I didn't even fucking realize it until they were all cooked. I just did not expect them to go fucking 4 minis. like that fucking sucks. I mean, the rest of the accounts are looking fucking beautiful, right? They look fantastic. This is what these Apex accounts should look like. Actually, after these blew, I saw that there was 4 minis on these, and I fucking closed it. And then I re-entered, like somewhere over here, and then I caught this big beautiful cliff. And I was really just targeting the 100s, but then I realized I was making too much fucking money. So I let Top Step run, and I closed out Lucid because these are instant funding accounts, right? So 20% consistency, which is another big FU to me because if you take a look, wait, which account is this? Number 3. I fucking hit the maximum trades. And it's set to liquidate and block. So now I'm way over consistency on this account. It's just one of them. The other accounts are looking pretty good. I mean, we'll probably get a payout. Thank you, by the way, because Lucid actually resets one of our tilt days after the Monday ProjectX outage that we made money on. Everything was fine. We weren't really affected on it. It did fuck with my sizing a little bit. And yeah, it wasn't that great. We should have had a lot more profit on that day. But we still bagged like $1,500 on Lucid and then like $800 on the rest of the PAs, which should have been like a $1,500 trade because it was another NQ trade that was just absolutely perfect. You know, impulse move up after stop loss, kind of pretty much exactly like what just happened on gold. Actually, this is one of my favorite trades. You literally just look for support like this, kind of see what happens over here. Boom, you see it get fucking swept. You see the impulse move up from the liquidity sweep, and then I fucking love shorting it for the continuation if it looks good on the 4-hour, right? Sometimes it'll just go back in the range, but that's the same trade we took on Monday, but it was on NQ. So I mean, I don't trade gold that often, but it moves just like every other stock, right? I mean, NQ, gold, whatever it is, I'm sure fucking Tesla stock, etc., will do the same thing. But if you guys don't know about this strat, what you can do is slap a pivot point there because you saw that, you know, it's held 3 times. Sweep. almost always it will come up to stop you out, because what does the market want to do? It wants to fuck you sideways. So we call this an impulse move up because it's a liquidity sweep move, basically. And then we look for the trend to continue, especially after a market structure shift right here. But regardless, I'm basically making this video because I'm fucking annoyed as shit. Because trading is hard, right? Trading is one of the fucking hardest things in the world. And then we get fucking random ProjectX bullshit issues. We get random fucking ×4 fucking multiplier trades. Like, this shit's stupid. And it's all ProjectX related, too. Like, if... I love ProjectX, right? These risk settings, fucking wonderful, right? When we use them. After our tilt day on... Or after our tilt day on Tuesday, where... we got our profit taken away from me. I was fucking pissed. I didn't actually lock out my risk settings like we should be doing every single fucking day. Probably bring this down to like 5 if we're trading minis. But, it's a wonderful platform. It is. But when it fucks up, it's the worst thing in the fucking world. Especially when you're on a fucking burner win streak. You're following the rules. You're just accepting the base hits. You're compounding. You're taking little red days, just like we've been doing for about a fucking month now. We've had a wonderful, wonderful month or two. I don't even know how long it's been. Numbers are a little skewed, I think, but yeah, I mean, we've had a fucking fantastic time. 80% win rate on the days, like a little less than 50% win rate on our trades. But I mean, our profit's been enormous up until today. But yeah, this was the day. Still sticking to the plan. Everything's fantastic. This is the day we started tilting because of some bullshit. Got back on it with a base hit. Tilted again yesterday. And then today, didn't tilt, but got fucked by a copy trader. But it's okay. It's fine. Not a big deal. We're realizing we're kind of losing our mind. We're not locking our risk settings in ProjectX. Apex has an 80% off sale right now with $85 activation fee. There's CPI today. So, I mean, fuck it, right? We're gonna scoop up what? 38 300K accounts. And we're gonna fucking YOLO them on CPI and hopefully get them back. I mean, this is a long-awaited CPI event, so I assume it's gonna be a big one. So hopefully we can get our PAs back. We did get a, $5,500 payout, so we're basically donating it back to Apex over some bullshit, which is unfortunate, but, it is what it is, I guess. Very, very unfortunate. Top Step is looking good, though. Our other 2 PAs are looking good. Futures Desk is looking good. Lucid is fucking cooking. Phidias, I'm not sure why it's not letting me trade them. Tradeify, still waiting to get our money back from Monday. So, I mean, everything's not bad. But what we're really realizing from this week is we can't let external bullshit affect our mind and our trading, basically, which is a direct correlation from the way you're thinking, right? Because everything about trading is mostly psychological, right? It's pretty simple in reality, but the psychological part is hard. But from today forward, hopefully we get our 18 PAs back. If not, that fucking sucks. But we're going back to sticking to our risk settings, sticking to our 5 trades a day, personal daily loss limits, max daily profits, sticking to our bracket orders. We've been getting so fucking greedy. Both of these days, we had enormous amounts of profits that we just let round trip us because we got so fucking greedy with our TPs. So we're just going to stick to our fucking brackets. It's probably not a bad idea to switch to micros, just do a 10 micro entry. That way we could exit with 5 micros if we want to hold some runners, or like 7 micros at our TP here. And then, hold 3 for runners. I mean, that's a very big possibility of what we're going to do. But, yeah, I mean, I want to fucking rage so fucking hard over this bullshit right here. So this was easily avoidable, right? I mean, it's stupid when external things just completely fuck you. Like Top Step was fine. I guess these are all ProjectX accounts, but they were all fine. But for some reason, fucking ProjectX sent over fucking double the size to Apex, and we got stopped out by probably a top tick, which very, very, very. Oh God, I'm trying to talk about it so I don't fucking rage about it later, right? We've been tilting fucking a lot lately because of some bullshit. So I think I got it out of my system. We stuck overall. The trade fucking was fantastic. I didn't realize we fucking even blew those accounts until we were over here, and I was thinking about taking profit. And then I fucking look over, I'm like, what? Well, these accounts were fucking so deep in profit, I fucking panic closed them. Yeah, what a fucking mess. Just what a fucking mess. And on top of that, I just got my fucking face ripped apart with a fucking canola going inside under my cheek and cutting the fibers to kind of like boost to cut the fibers that are pulling down my acne scars. And for whatever reason, ever since yesterday, my heart rate's been fucking elevated. My fucking whoop is telling me. But I'm not that far in the stress zone. So trading isn't really causing me that much stress, which is cool. It means we're kind of thinking with a clear mind. But yeah, I mean, it fucking is what it is, right? We were at a payout with these, but we didn't reach the consistency. I believe we were 2% away, and I'm pretty sure we actually got it. Or no, yeah, we were 2% away on Monday. And, I mean, Apex didn't take away the profit, right? Because they were Tradeovate, not ProjectX. Only ProjectX accounts got this profit taken away. And then Lucid gave it back, and apparently Tradeify is also giving it back. And Alpha Futures probably too. Yeah, I mean, it led to us being fucking rage traders. We could have had a $55,000 payout locked in. No, it was another $60,000 payout, I believe. And it sucks. It sucks, but it is what it is, right? Can't do anything about it. We're at what? We're going to be at 1,800 Apex accounts after we buy some more today. Hopefully pass them. Hopefully get them back to PAs. And the crazy thing about Apex is about 1,800 accounts, right? It says it on our Apex dashboard. I made a post about it on X, actually. Yeah, right here. Yeah, so we're about to buy 38 more. We're going to be about at 1,800. And the crazy thing is, we're still deep in profit. And we've only gotten, 4 payouts? Like, it's crazy how Apex works. I mean, we've blown so many fucking accounts, but we're still so deep in profits. It's fantastic. I fucking love Apex. I love him so much. But when days like this happen, it's like, fuck, do I even want to re-up on Apex? And the answer is just yes, because where the fuck else am I going to make that much profit for, a $5,000 investment or whatever it is? I mean, all the fees and everything is reduced right now, so it should be less. But if I didn't go with Apex, I already have Lucid. What else would I add? I'm already maxed out on TFD. Could I add Phidias? Phidias is good. They're launching ProjectX very, very fucking soon, so I'm probably gonna load up on Phidias regardless. Probably after we get our Lucid payout, I would assume, because who knows? We still might be on our little tilt spree. Top Step, I'm probably not gonna load up on again. It's just it's. I mean, their rules are good, but we blew 4 XFAs yesterday, and for whatever reason, this one survived. I don't know. It's just what the fuck else are we gonna do, right? I mean, Apex is just the fucking goat. FundedNext, actually, FundedNext would be our second choice. So maybe we'll hold off on Phidias and we'll load up on FundedNext accounts. And we could stick to our plan. Maybe trade micros on those because those have the best 50K accounts. Yeah, I'm not sure. Definitely going with Apex, but we'll decide what we're getting next after another payout, perhaps. I mean, we're really close to another payout here with Apex again. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to make a little video talking about what happened today. Some major bullshit, but we're not going to let it get to us. We're going to fucking lock out our risk settings for the fucking day. We're going to do exactly this. Boom. Every fucking day from here on out. It's Friday. We're going to gamble CPI today live. Fucking YOLO it. Hope for the best. Hopefully get our 18 PAs back. And then we're going back to our strict discipline plan because it's just been working so beautiful for us. So fucking beautiful. Our red days are so little. Our green days are so massive. I mean, it's been an excellent run. It's been absolutely beautiful. So we're going to stick to it. And, potentially end Q4 green because we are red on the year. We're red on the year by about $50,000. We just broke 6 figures in payouts. We have $101,000 in payouts. After this Apex re-up, we're gonna be minus about 55,000, I believe. Which one Apex payout could change all that? Or a Lucid payout, maybe some TFD payouts, maybe a Top Step payout. You know what I mean? We still have some time to get there. Good news is, we're at about $500,000 in prop firm payouts over the past 2.5 years. So, I mean, we're not red with prop firms, right? We're about $250,000 in prop firm losses, with this year being our biggest fucking expense. But I mean, it's still fucking 2x ROI, right? We made it's a little bit over 500K now, right? We just broke 6 figures this year. So we're at 500K in total payouts from prop firms, and we've spent about 250K. So, I mean, it's not bad. We're still looking very good. But it's days like today where you really fucking just want to just quit trading because some fucking dog shit's happened all fucking week that's just out of your control. But we're not going to stop, right? We're going to keep on fucking pushing. We're not going to give up. We're going to fucking make regardless, 2026 is probably going to be one of our best fucking trading years because we are fucking consistently practicing our risk management, sticking to the fucking plan, and it's only up from here if we can fucking stick to it. And I believe we can. It's my main focus right now. And we could fucking do it. I have such immense belief that we're going to stick to the fucking risk plan, stick to the trading plan, and fucking we're going to cook. So, fucking love you guys. See you guys live later. Peace out.